Hello friends. Not so difficult question. Let's see how we can do this one. X be a set of all 5-digit numbers formed using just these. What does that mean? That first of all you have to form a 5-digit numbers and you cannot in addition take any number other than these. For example, they are explaining to you that of course this is not an X, right? Because this is a 4-digit number now. And of course this is also not allowed because you're using 3 fours and given is only 2 fours. Now they are saying that each element of X has equal chance of getting selected. And what are they asking you? P. P is the conditional probability that it is a multiple of 20 given that it is a multiple of 5. Let's say my A is an event that it's a multiple of 20 and B is an event that it's a multiple of 5. So they are asking you what is probability of A provided B has happened. That says that this is probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. Now let's boil down into number of elements in X which are multiple of 20 or which are multiple of 5. So what is probability of A intersection B? That is number of elements in A intersection B divided by number of elements in the complete X. And what is probability of B? It is NB divided by the complete. So you see what we boil down into. This is number of elements who are multiple of 20 and 5 both divided by number of elements who are multiple of 5. So it is just NA over NB. Now you have to only calculate these two things. Let's focus on NB. Then that means NB is what? Elements who are multiple of 5. Number of elements who are multiple of 5. Okay, now let's start counting. 5-digit numbers. Let's have 5 dashes over here. You have to have 5-digit numbers who are multiple of 5. Okay, now you have to use only these. Don't you think? 0 should be in the last place. Yes. Okay. Now rest of the places anyone can take. Okay. So let's start with a 1. Okay. Let's say with 1. Okay. Let's say I'm using 1. Okay. Now 1 can take any of the 4 positions. Let's say 1 is here. Okay, now there are remaining 3 positions. Okay, remaining 3 positions, how can we fill in? Either I fill all the 3 positions by the twos given to us, all the 3 twos, or you use just 2 twos and a 4, or just 1 2 and 2 4s. These are the only ways you can fill the rest of the 3 positions. Okay, how many ways you can do that? Only one way, right? How many ways? 3 factorial over 2 factorial because there are 2 twos. And how many ways here? Same, 3 factorial because you have 2 fours, you have to divide by 2 factorial. So how much is this? This is 1, this is 3, and this is 3. So how many total? 7. So 3 positions can be filled in 7 ways, right? And depending upon which position my 1 takes, because it can take any of the 4 positions, I multiply it by a 4 and I end up in getting 28 ways, right? Next what? Without a 1. Now tell me how many ways you can fill in the 4 places here if you're not using a 1. Of course, you can use 3, all the 3 twos given to you and a 4. Or you can use 2 twos and 2 fours. That's all. You don't have an option more. So how many ways you can do that? 4 factorial over 3 factorial. Yes, this is 4. And how many ways? 4 factorial. And since you have 2 twos and 2 fours, you get this. This is 4. So total number of ways? 10. Okay, so 28 ways here and 10 here. So you have 28 plus 10. That is total 38 ways. Okay, that means you got your NB, number of elements who are multiple of 5. That is 38. What kind of 5-digit numbers would be in N of A? Of course, last one still has to be a 0. But this position has to be even. It can't be an odd number. That means the only odd number given to you is 1. This position shouldn't be taken by 1, that's all. So, what we do, we move back, okay, with a 1. Okay, can you see everything follows the same with 1? Just that 1 shouldn't occupy this position. That means 1 has only 3 places to go. So instead of multiplying by this 4, I need to multiply by a 3. You get that? So there are 21 ways with a 1. With a 1, you have only 21 ways. And without a 1, if you don't have a 1, there is no problem, right? You have 10 ways. So how many total number of ways? 31. So number of elements who are multiple of 20 is 31. So you get 31 over 38. That is what? That is value for your P. P is 31 over 38. So 38P would be just 31. Right? See you with another question soon. Bye.